Gũkũ nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Thutha wa Ruto gũcemania na former president Uhuru, Ruto nĩaruta statement yake, kana president nĩaruta statement yake, na Uhuru nĩaruta statement yake. No statement ici nĩ cirathiĩ cikaga kũhuanana. Now, statement ya Uhuru ĩrauga ũũ: nĩ mauma na gĩikaro na Ruto, na gĩikaro kĩrĩa nĩ gĩa kũrehe Akenya hamwe. Oho nĩ ararĩria ũhoro wa constitute IEBC, which is very important, na nĩyo ĩrendekana thaa ici yombwo. Oho nĩongereire, na nĩho ena ki, ũhoro wa thirikari ĩno ya Ruto kũharass andũ arĩa maramĩ oppose. Uhuru nĩandĩkĩte ũguo, kana statement ĩrĩa yarutwo nĩ office ya Uhuru nĩyugĩte ũũ: ũhoro wa thirikari ĩno kũ oppress kana kũ harass andũ arĩa maramĩ oppose. Nĩmarĩrie maũndũ maingĩ, no statement ya Uhuru ĩna ũritũ mũingĩ mũno, ladies and gentlemen. Na statement ya Ruto ũndũ ũrĩa augire, it's about IEBC na gĩtĩ kĩa Raila kĩa AU, but statement ya Uhuru it's very very deep, ladies and gentlemen. Ketũgĩa statement ya Ruto, then ndĩmũtware statement -inĩ ya Uhuru ĩrĩa ĩna ũritũ mũingĩ biũ, na ngĩmũtwara thĩinĩ wa statement ici ndamũria na gĩtĩo kĩnene mũno. Mũsubscribe thĩinĩ wa channel ya Kikuyu podcast na mũhihinye notification bell getha ngĩkĩra content yothe ĩrĩa ũkorwo wa mbere kũmĩona. Tũthiĩ. Ĩno nĩyo statement ya President Ruto, na statement ĩratofautiana na ya Uhuru. Augĩte Ruto: I have had a fruitful engagement with the retired President Uhuru Kenyatta when I paid him a courtesy call at his Gatundu home where we discussed national and regional issues. I thanked him for his continued role as a national statesman and for peacemaking in the region. We called for expeditious resolution of the court matters on IEBC and urged support for the candidacy of former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga for the chair of the African Union Commission. Ĩno nĩyo statement ya Ruto, agĩtũra ya Uhuru na nĩyo ĩkuĩte mbũri ta tha. Yandĩkĩtwo ĩno ya Uhuru, press release on Monday 9th December 2024, His Excellency President William Ruto paid courtesy call on former President Uhuru Kenyatta. Ikĩndeka ũguo: it's normal and common practice and indeed recommended that sitting and former president engage and consult on matters of national importance for the benefit of citizenry. It is in the light of this that His Excellency President Ruto paid courtesy call to the fourth President of the Republic of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, at his Ichaweri residence in Gatundu. The two engaged in discussion pertaining to Kenya's national interest, particularly matters that have been raised by citizens and challenges and handicaps to their well-being. This includes animosity within the political ranks that has created a hostile atmosphere, leading to harassment of individuals perceived to be in opposition or hostile to the government. Matters of taxation bado nona ruha ũhoro wa harassment reke tũgia thĩinĩ wa taxation. Matters of taxation that have been raised by Kenyans and possible solution to them. Matters of insecurity and best practice in citizen policing and matters of human capital at all levels capable of resolving these changes. President Kenyatta encouraged President Ruto to build broader political consensus that ensures inclusivity in governance and development at all levels. They also discussed the need for a vibrant opposition that is crucial for our democracy. Opposition, by the way. President Kenyatta laid emphasis on specific areas that he felt are crucial in stabilizing the country. Top among these issues are transparency and accountability. He stressed that in democracy, sector practitioners need to be consulted continuously and sustainably because they usually have solutions themselves. Further, to entrench Kenyan democratic credentials, there is urgent need to reconstitute the IEBC in a similar transparent manner. Further continuous engagements are the solution to an
all-inclusive democratic process. Even good ideas that are not implemented transparently will create suspicion and mistrust. In the difficult circumstances that the global community is experiencing, accountability and transparency become the hallmark of stability. He called for people-centered service-oriented culture in government actions. President Uhuru agreed to be consulted privately or otherwise in efforts that lead to a hopeful, prosperous, united and stable nation. On this, His Excellency President Ruto agreed to engage all stakeholders in an effort to remove any unnecessary tension in the country and to propose a reconciliatory way forward. He stressed that the tensions caused by the elections are over and it is time to focus on future as one people. Oguo niguo waikarite, ladies and gentlemen, na ucio ni Uhuru Kenyatta office of the fourth president of the Republic of Kenya nio maritie oguo.
Now guys, oguo niguo waikarite. What does it tell you? Matiuma kwaria uhoro wa kirima, of which maybe they talked about it. No uhoro wa kirima haha at first ni ngumu niki Uhuru ndagitikira kuthirwo kurehe andu a Mount Kenya he Ruto thaa ici. You know why? Gitumi ni giki, Uhuru ni amenya uria Ngarari wikarite. The same people rejected him in 2022. Ndangĩenda ku make mistake irekire 2022. Ndangĩenda ku make such mistake. Kuna mundu maingi muno mendete ni awonire Akenya against Ruto. Akenya riu mokite makona uria Uhuru atwiraga niguo, and that's why urona ground is very slippery. So Uhuru ndangĩukira auge ni a support Ruto because ni gucemania na backlash nene muno. Gucemania nao ti kuga ati riu Mount Kenya region mwena wa Ruto. No, Uhuru ni moge, ndangĩukira auge ati Ruto tosha. He will never. Ndangĩukira ambie kuga ati support ni thirikari ya maundu maria mothe mwena wa Azimio mwena wa Kenya Kwanza na thirikari irauga ni uria bloggers na MPs ya magũrĩrwo marauga. Ndangĩukira auge uguo. Ye eguthaka safe imacemanirie amwira uria mwirire. I'm sure kwina maundu maingi amwirire face to face na amwira failures ciake. I'm sure ni amwirire uhoro wa ku impeach Gachagua. I'm sure ni amwirire you did a mistake when we jerire mareri. I'm sure they talked about it. No ku neutralize Gachagua in Mount Kenya through Ruto itakuwa ngumu, itakuwa ngumu sana. But anyway, it is what it is. Kwa podcast maundu manyu murona gwikarite atia na let's expect more tondu kuratwika andu a Uhuru ni megwikirwo thirikari-ini ya Ruto Mutahi-Kagwe Rigathi Gachagua niguo Ngonjiri Wambũgũ arauga. But let's wait and see, tuone vile mambo itakuwa. Huko ni Kwa Kikuyu podcast, maoni manyu nariko inyuĩ murona. Thank you, God bless you.